Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is not a good look, but I'm trying to be dramatic, okay? I'm sure that you could tell by the title already. I haven't really decided how to title this. Either it's gonna be like totally cliche and be like, new year, new me, or like cut all my hair off or something. I don't really know, but I pulled it back to kind of be dramatic so like I don't spoil it because I'm super weird. However, I decided to do a huge transformation on my hair. I have had long hair forever. I've cut my hair short before and I've always hated it. So a little risky game that we played, but it actually turned out super cute and I am so in love with it. My hairstylist, I've known her since high school, and she would teach tumbling at the place that I went to when I was in high school, and she is phenomenal at hair and she's right up the road from me, so it's just great. But she was nice enough to let me film it, and she's actually pretty excited because she's always thought about like filming things and transformations on her own. So before we get into this hair transformation, make sure you pause this right now and comment down below how many inches you think I cut off, and let's see who guessed the closest. And I don't have a prize for you, but like I think it sounds fun. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. This is the finished hairstyle and I absolutely love it. So I ended up cutting off 8 inches, which was a lot. And kudos to you that guessed the right amount. And 8 inches, holy smokes. Wish I could donate all of that, but unfortunately I can't since I do color my hair. It is what it is at this point, and It's already in the trash anyways, so not really much I can do about that right now. But holy smokes, my hair is short. Like, oh, the rest of my hair go. Doesn't take me very long to style it anymore, even though I'm still trying to figure it out. I have never liked my hair being short, and here we are. She did great. But I'm absolutely obsessed with it, and I am so glad that I made this decision. I was just thinking about it one day and I was like, hey, maybe I should just cut my hair off. And here we are. So I hope that you liked this video, and please make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on them. And all my social medias and my blog and my Poshmark closet are all linked down below. You can find them down there in the description box. Make sure that you go show my hairstylist some love. Her name is Rachel, and her Instagram will be linked down below as well. And I will see you guys, what was that? I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.